Dear Yatris, we are delighted to extend a special invitation to you on behalf of Lord Shiva himself. The divine abode of Lord Shiva, Mount Kailash, awaits your presence, and we are organizing an exclusive tour for devotees like you. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to embark on a spiritual journey and experience the awe-inspiring beauty of Kailash Mansarovar. The Kailash Mansarovar Yatra is scheduled to commence on 20 June 2023 and will continue until 24 September 2023. We have already opened bookings for this sacred pilgrimage, and we urge you to secure your spot as soon as possible. Registration open for Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. Please note that the number of seats available for this divine journey is limited. Considering the popularity of the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, we recommend securing your place at the earliest opportunity. Kindly be aware that only passport holders are able to apply for this pilgrimage. We encourage you to ensure that you have a valid passport before making your reservation. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to connect with the divine. Lord Shiva's invitation is a testament to the spiritual significance of this pilgrimage, and we would be honored to have you join us on this sacred expedition. Book your place now and get ready to witness the mystical beauty of Mount Kailash. We urgently await your participation in this extraordinary journey of faith and devotion. Book now and get 5,000 rupees discount. For more details, you can call us on 84 000 00090, or you can visit us at website comfortmytravel.com for registration process. Hurry up, we have limited seats for the full moon departures in June.